the knee, the sides, and the front. Yeah? Okay. So that knee joint complex in this movement is prone for repetitive strain. When you say strain, okay, it's more on how those structures interact with each other. Okay? Have you heard about the word friction? Okay? So just imagine, back of your knee, this structure is, yeah? Okay. Oh, it's not here. Ramesh. Okay. So another structure here is the ITB. Yonsho. Do you have a lot of ITB patients? Yeah. Okay. So anyone knows iliotibial band friction? So just imagine. Okay. ITB runs over here. It's a thick fascia. Very thick. It runs over here, and the reason why it creates friction is because it crosses the knee joint. Alright? Who has heard about the medial collateral ligament? Or the lateral collateral ligaments? Both ligaments at the side of the knee. Okay? ITB crosses the knee joint. Lateral collateral ligaments. Keep on moving that. Then you have the friction. If you're going for a very long mileage, a lot of sprinting, okay, so that friction over time gets worse. So this is where you get your inflammation, or that's when you get your muscle spasm happen, or cramping, or those nagging pains. Okay? The reason why I'm telling you that is that there could be so many reasons why you will have pain around the knee joint. Okay. But mostly, the cause, it's either this one, weakness or instability, or this one. Okay. So when I say weakness or instability, it's that when you have this repetitive strain just about to happen, okay, the other joints will have to compensate. So this is not my knee joint, but this is an X-ray of your knee joint. Yeah? Okay. I was talking about the iliotibial band, the ITB.
Paano?
Oh my gosh, it's spaghetti.
Yeah.
Ng ano, 2,000. Ganon.
Ano naman yung taga-paypay mo para namang ano, peke. Diba? Ang pogi, oh.
Nagtatan ako, nagpapatan ako.
Ang puti. Mati na yung ipin.
So, ang social ng unit ay may boyoyong clown talaga. Ang social. Iba ang unit right. Diba? May boyoyong clown tayo. At ang mga kasama niyang ibang boyoyong girls. Ano sa kabila?
Wow! May ganon.
Happy send-off to you. Happy send-off.
So, tabi-tabi yung mga... Tabi-tabi yung mga hindi kasali. Pwede?
Happy send-off.
Tabi-tabi yung mga...
Happy send-off. Punyetahan.
Video nga. Putang na. Wow!
Tropical hot yun.
Wow, that's a delicious cake.
Happy send-off.
Hoy, Dindo! Gusto mo bang ano? May extra?
to you.
Uy, babaon namin.
Isahan lang to. Hanggang ano na.
Hindi. Bongga tayo sa isa ko maalala.
Come here, Miti. Miti.
Kain guys, kain. Yung fireworks na ready. Happy New Year, guys!
Dahan-dahan lang, may plastic tayo mamaya. Yung plastic.
Inaalala po namin ngayon yung mga pagkawala ng mga ibang member.
Sa lahat.
Oh. Charot.
The end is coming.
Happy send off.
Guys, I hear that. That's funny.
Si Charlie gawa.
Balutin mo ako.
Nanalo na. Keso nang nanalo.
Lagay mo lang dito para ano masarap.
Wow. Hindi na nakasama to sa video kanina.
Hanggang 8:30 lang to.
Hindi yan himala.
May himala!
Finish line.
Finish line.
Start line.
Finishing line.
Yan yung second word.
Sa atin siya.
Hindi sumali tapos wala.
Hoy, ano yan? Wala pa bang time yan?
Open water swim.
Open water swim. Open water.
May ganon.
Okay, mamaya na yung taga...
Ano yung pansit? Pansit siya.
Kala ko yung may champurado pa siya.
Naku, andito si Kuya sa labas.
Ha?
Assalamualaikum.
First syllable.
Yes, Kuya yan! Kuya yan! Pagkaraoke ka lang! Pagkaraoke ka lang!
Sweet. Triathlon. Speed.
Triathlon!
Triathlon. Wala, tanga-tanga.
Yan! Ba?
Ready.
Set, go!
One more.
English.
Tagalog. 3 syllables.
3 syllables.
British.
Heart.
Heart rate. Love. Compassion. Offer.
Premonition. Premonition.
Dedication.
Dedicate. Apor sila.
Aorta. Left ventricle.
Oh, tubig dyan. Tubig.
Swimming. Running.
Athlete.
Triathlete.
Ano yun?
Triathlon. Aquathlon.
Triplets? Quadruplets?
Duathlon.
Pentathlon. Quintathlon. Decathlon.
Decathlon.
Ano ba bakla?
Sabi ko sa kamay ka kalimado unity. Sounds like ano ba?
Bawal.
Cycling.
Bicycle.
Cycling shoes.
Running.
Triathlon. Duathlon. Aquathlon. Duathlon.
One word.
First word.
Cycling. Shoes.
Duathlon!
What's your shoes?
Ano yan? Freestyle. Sabi niya, totoo pala yung cheese. Natanga daw.
Ay, nagbubulungan sila. Savannah, don't say any words.
Hoy, walang no sinasabi. Punyeta.
Hi! Don't say any
Don't
words.
say anything.
Don't say any words. Just sign.
Bala!
Busilipin ka lang po natin.
First word, A6?
Yes.
Ano daw? A6?
Yes. Ayan, isa lang. Oh. Yes. Again, video. Pero hindi ko muna hindi ko muna ididiin ha. Baka may matakot sila eh.
Okay na.
Running shoes.
English. Chip. Chip daw. Chip.
Spring race. Spring race.
Palsy black.
Second word ko na. First word.
Engineer?
Marathon.
English.
Pacer.
Speed.
Speed session.
Not my whole body. May only the legs. Full leg. Okay?
Oh,
Show.
look at the
Stand up.
look at this, you queer. These legs are big.
Game. Ano yan, first word?
Medan. T-shirt. Finisher.
Singlet.
Uniform.
Bottle water.
Hydration.
Basic.
Swimming.
Ayun, sabi na. Not, why there's a light? It's out here. Alright.
Turn off the light.
Take hold.
Ready, set, go. Bodybuilder.
Ano time?
Oh, sige pa.
10 seconds.
Malapit doon. Medal. Finisher. Ironman.
Dito talaga makukunan ko. Wala akong wala. Wala na.
Third. Diyos ko, tanga ako. Ano, bilisan mo?
Mahirap ba? Wala na kami natin dyan.
Three words daw!
Share mo narinig ko.
Ang sagot, championship.
3F!
Strong.
Philippine International Triathlete.
Bodybuilder.
Malakas.
Ano time?
Oh, sige pa.
10 seconds.
Malapit doon. Medal. Finisher. Ironman. Dito talaga makukuha doon. Third. Diyos ko, tanga ako. Ano, bilisan mo?
Totoo pa lang cheese. Mahirap ba? Mahirap.
2, 1. Oh, logi na to. Wala na kami natin dyan.
Grow up, guys.
Bakit sa inyo?
Magyan mo sa lamin.
Sa amin, girl.
Set.
Hexagon.
One word.
Crab! Alexander?
Muscle cramp!
Ready, set, go. Nakakahakot grossing. Go! Hindi pa nga tayo masyadong prepared.
No support. Okay. So getting that? No support. Friction leads to compensation or to compromise what's happening.
Cycling. Meatballs. City bike.
Those terms or anything. So I'm doing a storytelling. Yeah. Okay. And then, if you're gonna break down the
Ito ang unitry. May mga bagong fire pang ano.
Sa langit na po kami.
Di ba nakabackground na kayo? Ganyan. Oo, yun naman.
Ano, cold water
Sa
gusto
setting, may
niya?
nakasam na. Pero ganyan naman sa roon.
Andun yung boy. Hindi siya lumalaki. Same size. Hindi. Hindi ba baliktarin mo? Baka masunog na yan.
Kababaliktad lang. Kababaliktad lang.
Balutin mo ako.
Nanalo na! Nanalo na!
Ay, kaka, yung chaisal mo dyan, kaka.
Wala ka ha.
Tumakbo ba sila, Rochelle?
Hindi.
Dinala ko talaga siya para talunin yung matanda sa binasagpuan.
Gay tagalit. Sino magdala ka pang baboy? Huwag ka na madala ng baboy.
Bakit ayaw mo bang isama? Ready, set, go!
Ayan na po, nagkakalag na po si Joseph.
Dito sa watch ko eh. Ano? Akala ko ang bagal.
Good morning! Valentina!
I made it! I made it!
Nakailan tayo ngayon? 5,000 liters. 5,000? Charot!
Sibon si ano yun? Nyari dong! Oh, masarap sa robe!
Exactly. Cognitively, you're working that out without even doing anything there. Yeah? Alright, let's do the other side. Control the hips. Very good. So imagine you're pressing a heavy water. Glutes. Reach towards the wall. Okay. There you go. If you just reach for the wall, it's a stretch. But if you, remember scraping, what happens? If you try to go forward, there'll be a lot of muscles still tracking there. So that changes the game. So because you're doing it cognitively. Now we're going to do just like a dead body. Lying neutral spine, double knee up. Who knows what a neutral spine is? You can hear it. Neutral spine. This is subjective to how far your hips can go. Neutral spine. Roll it forward as much as you can, roll it backward as much as you can, and go at the center. That's your neutral spine. When you're lying down here, get to your neutral spine. Okay, there you go. Remember the small muscles that holds the vertebra that I was telling you about? Which is the game changer when you want to fix your posture and if you want to get away from lower back injuries, especially this side. Those are the muscles we're trying to target. Now, Louie is going to maintain the neutral spine while she lifts the knee towards this side. She went too fast. You cannot see that. What we're trying to observe is for for the hip not to move. Okay, Louie? Good job. Is it hard? And lower it down. Good. Do this 5 times and you'll feel your abs. At the same time, most importantly, those motor stabilizing muscles are working. Okay? Now do it again. Is it hard? Because normally when we do this, when the knee goes up, the hip will just roll with it. We don't want that. Okay? We just want this fixed from here, holding, and this moving up. Good for cyclists, good for running. Why? Because it helps your core to get stronger, more enduring, and you get to be more in control. Would you like to try this? By the way, the lying neutral spine single knee.
It should
Okay? Just drop your weight. Alright, so if you're going to look at this, tighten it. Yeah? So where is the knee? Is it straight down? Going here? Okay, check it out. Do your assessment. How's that? It's a small one. So if she's your client, you're going to be working on that, right? If you have the needles, question?
Well, when I'm doing the assessment, I'm also looking at where is this like, is it just heading towards the like, a little bit like elevated?
Yes.
Yeah, so it indicates for me, like, my
Just touching is false negative result.
Exactly. So sometimes it's maybe not a tight flexor, but a tight what?
Yes.
So maybe difference in.
Sometimes, you know, what you say, hip flexors, TFL. Yeah? Okay. So pay attention on how this goes up and how it turns. Yeah? So now, let's say she's in this way. If she's going to ride a bicycle and clip it, what do you need to improve or correct or advise her? So if she's riding a bicycle, these sides are going to play. Okay, and then adjust. So whatever you need to adjust, adjust. Because when you adjust, it's going to change how it looks and how it goes. So just pay attention to that. You want to try the other side? Okay. Do your assessment. This one. So when you have your assessment now, you can see it, you can observe it, then you can have a follow-up question. You normally would feel that, you know, limitations there when you run or when you jog, you have like
yung FRU, kay Patlong pa sila, no?
Opo. One, two, three, go! Okay na. Kayo artista. Wow! Dami niyong alam. Ready mo na yung relo mo, anak. Relo mo na, on mo na.
The first boy.
So when you start doing that, now you can see it working. Hamstrings. If I just fix my hips in my body, glutes, abs. Okay? Now if I try to do this on this leg, now I feel the stretch while I'm scraping. But if I scrape this forward, now this quads will not be stretching anymore. It will be contracting. Okay? Now try this. I don't need you to go up and down. I need you to go halfway down. Scrape.
Yung sirena. Yung sirena.
So some clinicians, some practitioners, someone who would assess, they would prefer it with the legs straight. Some would prefer a bit of support. Okay? But the main thing is that you want to assess this part. So, would you like to do it this way? Okay, let's do it first this way, the easier way. Support. Yeah? So what you're trying to look for here is for this to actually drop. Okay? So I'm going to support it. Okay? Relax. Where do I place my hand? I place it just on top of the hip. So I can support that. Okay? So what I'm going to do is, anyway, this should be like higher. But that should be higher. So what you're trying to do here is to let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. If this bend is higher, I don't have to squat. Okay? But what you're looking at here is this leg. Now, the scenario, if this structure is quite tight, it will stay here. Okay, it will stay here. But you seem to be okay here. Yeah? So that's why I would try it. Because when this structure is tight, it's just going to pull this. It's not going to allow this leg to drop. Okay? So it's best done with a higher table. So you can actually just support this leg and just allow it to drop. Yeah? It's just like the Thomas test. Okay? When this leg drops, so you're clear. But when that knee stays up, you have a bit of an issue with tightness there. Or overactive muscles in front of your hip flexors. The same goes with your ITD. Yeah? Any questions why I'm holding this?
Stabilize it.
Stabilize it. Why? Because if I don't stabilize this, I will have a false negative result.
Yeah.
If I don't stabilize this, it will just drop. See that? If I stabilize, I keep the hips here, just relax, just drop your knee. Okay. So it's just dropping, so I have no issues with the ITD actually. Okay. And if I let go, see, it just falls. But I want to support that so I can actually see if this is being